Yo, what's up, my fam? It's me, Next Place here, back for another Minecraft video. Today, I'm on the 1.2 version. So, guys, I'm gonna show you some secret features that I know of armor stands and parrots. I think those are the only two I know of that I know of that has like secret features and stuff. Or I'm just lying. I'm just kidding. Those are the only two that I know of some secret features. So guys, secret features, secret features. So guys, black screen please. So guys, I am going to show you how to like make armor stand, how to make a computer out of armor stands. So all you need to do is like put in, I don't know why I have so many pickaxe in my inventory. Put it away, put it away. Away. What? Wait, oh my god. That's actually so funny, guys. Wait, what? So yeah, guys. Today I am gonna show you some secret features that I know of the 1.2 update. So guys, you you might know this from like tutors or fusion code or something, but this is the feature that I know. So you can make armor stand out of something. Like you can make you can make I think you can make can make cause you can you what wait forgot that forgot to add the I don't know. No, let's do this. There we go. Finally. So yeah, guys. So that's how that's how you like make. So that's how you make a keyboard. So now, then let's make the keyboard more better and not naked. See here, pressure plate. There you go. I guess I should pick gold. It's more gold. It's more like awesome. So what you need to do is ship because if you like to just stop the armor stand will break. So this bam. See guys, you have a golden keyboard, and let's make the screen out of paint. Bam, guys, a computer. I don't want to say a laptop, guys. A laptop, guys. That's so, guys. That's one of the secret features that I know of armor stand. Maybe there's more, but that is the only secret feature I know of armor stand. And there's two things I know of some secret features for parrots. I guess I think only three, guys. So we need some seeds 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 so Spawn egg. Spawn. Yep. Parrot now. I think so, guys. You can actually tame it, guys, with I'm just going to do slash effect clear. What is it? AS clear. So let's see here. So guys, you can actually you can actually tame parrots. Well, you can, but see. So let's see here. Tame it. It it takes a few seconds to like back. Guys. Wait, no, I forgot. So, there we go again. Come again another time. There we go. So guys, where is the parrot? Where did it go? Where did it go? Yeah. Let's go to third person mode. See? You can hear it. Bam! It's right beside me, guys. So you can now, so if you like tame a parrot, you can now put it on your shoulder, guys. You can actually put it on your shoulder. This is so we can fly together. Oh wait, no. Oh my god, that's so funny. That's actually so funny. The that when you fly, parrots can like get like fly down like chickens. That's actually so cool. So yeah, guys, that's I think that's like the third secret feature. I think. I don't know, but guys, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Smash that like button, and so yeah, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next MCPE update video or challenge. Bye, guys.